I'm in Sokoto. I came into Sokoto on Good Friday and I met with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Friday, Saturday, and today Easter Sunday. I've just finished a meeting with him. I'm at the airport to depart. I want to assure us that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is steadfast and focused and remains resolute in his pursuit for self-determination. I also want to tell us that the 100-men Divine Project is still on. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wishes that we understand that this is something he has started since 2018. The 100-men Divine Project started since 2018 and will continue. Of course, people have started coming into it, and of course, it's not a thing everybody can come into. These are for selected people, not for everybody. So all those who are against it, please stay away. Those who are for it know themselves. They will come in, and they are already coming in droves. Then I also want to tell us that there are so many people who do not understand Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, including those who feel that they are closest to him. They do not understand him. They do not understand his ways of thinking or reasoning. But with time, if you come closer, he will explain some of these things to you. He asks that anybody who is confused can come over and meet him for explanation. For those who are saying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot give you directives from wherever he is, it's quite unfortunate, because these are the things that happen. To Ikemba, it happened. You remember certain persons planned a coup against him during the Biafran War, and those people faced the consequences. The same thing happened to Masop Wazurike. When he came into the struggle, the same thing happened to him. Certain persons came to Arsenal in London. It was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that thwarted that particular attempt to unseat him. So when it's happening to him, he has told us that he knows these things will happen. He knows it will happen. And by the grace of God, he is strong in faith. He is strong physically. He is well composed. He is well determined. And for doubters, things are happening. Things are happening. These are not the things I will reveal to us. Then for those who have individual messages, I will send them to you as soon as I enter Abuja. By the grace of God, he's good. We had celebrated Easter with him today, and I pray by the grace of God, in a very short while, he will be out. We discussed issues of his appeal also. The appeal is moving. It's moving, and it's moving in a speed that so many people will not understand. Things are happening. I'm happy to announce to us that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is happy with the progress of the appeal. He's happy with how the appeal is being organized. He's happy with all his lawyers. With all his lawyers. So all those who are saying his lawyers are his problem, please go and sleep. We are not begging you for validation. We are not. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's defense team, we are not begging you for a validation or any validation whatsoever. You are not our client. Our client is happy with us, and that is what matters. Thank you very much. God bless us. Thank you.